And there's a huge political controversy playing out in Himachal. You've got Chief Minister Sukhu saying we'll post ads in the National Herald. The BJP is lashed out at the Chief Minister, saying here's a newspaper that's broke, and yet you've got the Himachal government handing over crores of rupees to National Herald. The BJP questioning right now, when the government is already broke, why is it that the taxpayers' money is being used for ads in a newspaper that's completely defunct?
और लोन दिया तो क्या उस पे ब्याज भी लिया जाता था कि नहीं लिया जाता था? अब नेशनल हेरल्ड है क्या? इट्स नॉट अ डेली न्यूज़पेपर. ये दैनिक अखबार नहीं है. इट्स अ नॉन रेगुलर पेपर. ऐसे एक तो वीकली पेपर है और वो भी छपता है. क्या छपता है? यहां पर इतने सारे पत्रकार, आप में से कोई नेशनल हेरल्ड से है क्या? कोई नेशनल हेरल्ड पढ़ता है क्या? अखबार वैसे तो कागज पे छपता है, लेकिन कुछ कागजी अखबार होते हैं जो छपते भी नहीं, बिकते भी नहीं, बंटते भी नहीं, दिखते भी नहीं और पढ़े भी नहीं जाते. ये उनमें से एक है. और जो कांग्रेस के राज्यों के मुख्यमंत्री इसके लिए चंदा देते हैं, चंदा में विज्ञापन देते हैं, चंदा नहीं विज्ञापन, वो विज्ञापन किस आधार पर देते हैं? दैनिक अखबार जिनके बहुत सारे अलग अलग जिलों के संस्करण निकलते हैं, उनको चवन्नी मिलती है और नेशनल हेरल्ड को चांदी के सिक्के मिलते हैं. और मेरे अपने राज्य हिमाचल प्रदेश में बड़े बड़े दैनिक समाचार पत्रों को जो नहीं मिलता, यानी कि उनको चवन्नी मिलती है और नेशनल हेरल्ड को चांदी के सिक्के मिलते हैं. और वहीं पर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री जिन्होंने बड़े बड़े वायदे किए थे, या कांग्रेस पार्टी ने, वो 10 गारंटियां आज तक पूरी नहीं हुई. ना महिलाओं को पैसे मिले, ना डीए की किश्त मिली, ना बाकियों को गोबर खरीदा गया, ना दूध खरीदा गया. जो दाम देने थे वो भी नहीं दिए. उसके लिए पैसा नहीं है, लेकिन नेशनल हेरल्ड को विज्ञापन देने के लिए पैसा है.
सर, आपने विज्ञापन भी दिया है नेशनल हेरल्ड को.
हम नेशनल हेरल्ड हमारी अपनी अखबार है, हम उसमें खूब विज्ञापन देते रहेंगे. पहले भी दिया, आगे भी दिया.
हमारे नेता प्रतिपक्ष आदरणीय जयराम ठाकुर जी ने जो बयान दिया है, मैं उससे पूरा सहमत भी हूँ, मुतमईन भी हूँ और इत्तेफाक पूरा रखता हूँ. वो इसलिए कि सरकारें हैं, सरकारें अपनी सरकार की उपलब्धियों की ऐड देती हैं, इसमें कोई समस्या नहीं है. लेकिन नेशनल हेरल्ड जो पेपर है, उसका हिमाचल प्रदेश में एक भी, मुझे लगता है एक भी कॉपी नहीं आती होगी. ये उन्होंने कहा कि हमारा न्यूज़पेपर है, लेकिन ये जो पैसा आपने दिया है वो आपका नहीं है. वो हार्ड अर्न्ड मनी है प्रदेश की. उसको देने से पहले जरूर विचार करना चाहिए. आप अपनी सरकार की उपलब्धियां दीजिए, अधिकार है सरकार का, लेकिन उस पेपर में दीजिए जो पेपर हिमाचल प्रदेश में सर्कुलेट करता है.
Okay.
क्योंकि उसकी तो जरूरत हिमाचल प्रदेश की जनता को देखने की जरूरत है. जो आपने उपलब्धियां अगर करी हैं हिमाचल प्रदेश में, तो आप उन पेपर्स में दीजिए. हमारा आपत्ति इस पर है.
There's a compulsion. They're told to make this kind of money available, and that compulsion comes from Delhi, and that is the kind of price you pay for being in power, or they'll change the chief minister. Each government ruled by the Congress party has become an ATM for collection. Here's one newspaper which is closed down, and this money is coming. There's not one single newspaper coming out, and far from reaching Himachal Pradesh, it's nowhere around. And here, the taxpayer has to pay money for advertising, and where does the money go when there's no advertisement at all? So this is such a big fraud, and the scam continues over the years. And they say that it's a non-profit organization and what have you. This fraudulent thing must end.
Who they are to ask this question? Why they are asking this question? It is our matter. If any state government is giving advertisement to National Herald,
National Herald is going to every worker of Congress party. And it is the publicity of the state government, what they are doing in its state. Even if I agree, it is compulsion of a state government. So wherever BJP government, actually, he is explaining what is happening in BJP. There is no compulsion on the state where BJP is ruling. Any chief minister can do anything without consulting their high command. What is this? Is it an argument?
Okay.
Definitely it is. If any chief minister belongs to BJP, he is bound to act according to the advice of his high command.
Okay, let me bring in Aishwarya Paliwal for more details on this. Aishwarya, what we're seeing right now in Himachal, a splurge in ads in the National Herald leading to a political fight. First, we're talking about a newspaper which was once defunct. And secondly, we've of course reported repeatedly on how the Sukhu government is completely broke, struggling to make financial ends meet.
Akshita, that is exactly what Anurag Thakur, BJP MP from Hamirpur in Himachal Pradesh, has been speaking about. He asked the state government and even the chief minister what's happening to the coffers of the state. You do not have money for your own people, but on the contrary, you are coming out and giving out a statement that National Herald is their newspaper. He also went ahead and said that this is all a big scam, a scam to keep the Gandhi family happy, a scam to keep the top two people of the family, Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi, happy. And this is money laundering case. Whatever the Enforcement Directorate has done till date, everything is on paper, it's black and white, and it's for everyone out there to see what exactly is happening in this case. Money laundering and scams, these are the words that BJP has been using. And with regards to the statements made by the Chief Minister of the state of Himachal Pradesh, the BJP is saying, just look inwards, look at what's happening to your state. You do not have money, but on the contrary, all that you want to do is keep on paying a huge amount of money to National Herald and say that it's your paper and you will continue to do so. The BJP time and again pointing fingers at the Gandhi family and saying that they have usurped assets worth crores of rupees, and all this is a big scam.
All right, Aishwarya, thanks very much for joining us with those details. We'll track all the political reactions that come in on the story.